My name is Taylor Middleton. I'm the general manager of Big Sky Resort, and I'm a longtime advocate and supporter of the Big Sky Medical Clinic. Why do we need a hospital in Big Sky? Why do we need an emergency room here? Well, we all know about the golden hour and the importance of quick medical care. This facility is going to take an hour out of that quick medical care. We're going to have our patients here in minutes. The Big Sky community has more than doubled in size since the year 2000. Our guests, they expect a hospital, and our community residents, they need a hospital. This is going to be a transformational moment for our community that we will look back in history on forever.